So 5x, 5 power x plus 2 is equal 100. So how to find 5 power 2x? So how to find this? So this is the property of indices also. The first of all, separate this, we get 5 power x times 5 power 2 is equal 100. So then 5 power x is equal 100 divided by 5 power 2. This is the same to what? 100 divided by 25. So 5 power x is equal what? This is equal 4. This is 4 power 1. So then this is the value of 5 power x. So how to find the value of 5 power 2x? 5 power 2x is equal 5 power x, then power 2. Because if a power m times n is equal a power m times n. A power m power n is equal a power m times n. So according to that, 5 power x power 2 is equal 5 power x times 2, which is equal 5 power 2x. So when you press this, 5 power x is equal to 4. Then 5 power 2x is equal 4 power 2. So according to that, 5 power 2x is equal 4 power 2, which is equal 16. So the value of 5 power 2x is equal 16. So this is the value of 5 power 2x. Thank you for watching this.